And welcome. If you need to build your own landing page or web page and to build it very fast, easy and without an extra efforts, without need to learn the coding, the web design and so on, you just need to use the platforms that allows you to build some kind of web pages or websites, the big one, the small one and so on. We found a great solution for you, not for all the money in the world, and this is very powerful and convenient tool to build everything that you want and how to turn clicks into the customers. Lead pages is literally great tool to make that happen. Before I've started to show you the step-by-step tutorial of how to build things on this platform, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get that link, and you can easily get access via that link to the platform with a big discount from our team for our subscribers. So I'll try to make this video short, and I'll try to give you all the information that you need, the core knowledges of how to manage things on this platform, and in the end of the video you will get an idea of how to edit things, how to move things, how to build things, and you'll be able to combine your own web page or landing page or website even like very fast and easy. So let's jump to the dashboard of this platform, and I'm gonna show you all that you need to know. You need to pass the registration, you need to be on the platform, but that's simple and you'll figure it out when you're gonna be on the dashboard. There's landing pages or sites. Today we're talking about landing pages because it's a little bit easier to create and easier to build. And if you want, you can actually, with this knowledge, with the same type of editing, you can build a big website if you have a tons of content to share, if you have a lot of information to show to your potential customers. You can use the same editing features to build the website, not the landing page, but today we're talking about the landing page. Here you can choose the page type, button, bio, blank, checkout, consultation, contest, event, free resources and download, lead capture, and so on and so on. And if you're not finding something here, you can find an industry, business and marketing, education, or you can even build it from scratch actually, or you can sort by style, by color. If you have some brand color, for example, there are already pre-made things. But actually we need to grab just any template that's on the side, like literally any of them. Okay, let's use this one, let's use this template, and we're gonna change everything here. I want to show you on the case of Photo Studio, and we're gonna leave just one page, simple things. Okay, you see it's a pretty well done build landing page, great site. And I'm starting to show you the main things. It's every site built on this platform is absolutely mobile responsive, so you can check how it's gonna be visible, how it's gonna be on the tablet or the smartphone or the desktop. That's very important because nowadays up to 65% of traffic flows from mobile devices, and that's why you need to check is everything is okay with your page before you go live with that. You see that this is a big page. We don't need such a big page, so we jump into the buttons. Layout, page layout. You see the sections, logo on top, hero, intro, about, team, culture, values, CTA, legal, and so on. Now, you can move them around. You can move them around just grabbing this six dots, and you see it's reshaping, it's reordering right now. Straight from here, you can delete this section, you can duplicate this section, make it visible or invisible, or with this arrow button you can see what contains in this section. Yeah, and change the section style with this gear button. You see all the things that laying in this section. So let's just delete all the things. Let's just delete all the things. Our story. Okay, we're gonna leave this one. Culture. Just love the copyright. Okay, login top. We can delete it also. Alright, we have the hero section, the hero block. Everything that contains here, you can see in the section settings. There's a background here, the color. I want to build the photo studio, so I need to change an image. How to do that? You can use your images that already loaded to this platform. You can buy a premium images from the stocks, and it's about $8 per picture. It's not cheap, but you can find everything that you want literally, or you can upload it straight from your computer, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, the picture is on the spot. This is the photo studio, and you can see that it looks pretty great right now, but the text is not on the spot. Or for example, I can show you how to manage the picture. You get into edit section settings, and very important thing, image color overlay. You can add your custom color. For example, it's black right now, and we can change the opacity. You see what's happening. We can change the opacity of this image color overlay, and it starts to look great. Okay, here you can choose what size is most suitable for your page here. You see, like let it be 75. It's cool. Padding, arrow border, timing control. We go in back, and you have the section style. You have all these things here. When you browsing, when you're hovering over the page, you see this blue lines. When you grabbing it and moving it, you can reshape the text like instantly. Yeah, you can make it like that, but I think this is a good way. You can see that there's a text actually in every page that you will build will contain photos, videos, text, and interactive elements like buttons or pop-up forms or forms for get in touch and so on. So the problem is that everything contains the same stuff, and when you're gonna figure out how to edit the elements, you will figure out how to combine all those elements to one page, to one layout, a beautiful one, to use that layout to your page. Just double click on this box, and here you go. Here in the text, you can use the jumbo one, you can use the heading, or the normal text. I want it to be huge and big. I can even make the size bigger, spacing a little bit. I don't like this color. I want to add some color. Let it be dark blue. Okay, that looks great. The same thing we're making with the other text. And you see there's a spacer, there's a button. The interesting and very important thing with the buttons, I'm gonna show you how you can add a section. Here's already pre-made sections, and you can choose the blank one to add some stuff, like with columns pre-made, with the rows pre-made, with the rows and columns. For example, we need to add the two of them, and you can make it here on the blue boxes. Okay, I showed you how to manage the text. Now you can drag and drop widgets here to start. But before, I'll show you what's happening with the buttons. Everything what you can add it with this pencil button. The style, text, color, and link. The style, you can make it small or big. You can change the place. You can change the form. In rounded, you can change this all corners. I like the square one, for example, and it can be flat. The background colors, the blue one also, it seems nice, and the text will be white. Alrighty. The text itself, you can also change the size of the text. You can change the spacing to make the button bigger, and of course you can change the font for all these things. But the most important thing is the click event, what's gonna happen when somebody will press the button, because that's the purpose of your landing page. You can create new pop-up, and that's what we're gonna do. You have the already pre-made section with a pop-up. Here you can edit section settings and like change the color of the background of this, and so on and so on. Like, do as you wish here. But the most important thing is edit integrations. When you press on this button, you're gonna see the integrations, fields, and actions. This is very important thing. How you will get notification about the new lead. You will get it in box. You will get a new letter to your mailbox when you're using lead notifications. Or you can integrate the external service of email marketing straight away from the platform. And if you have a account for GetResponse or MailChimp or ConvertKit, this will help you to grow your email list and to make the bigger business, to grow your list, to work with your audience, to warm up your audience and make them buy something from you. That's a big issue. But it's pretty enough to use the lead notifications from the lead pages. Second thing, as fields, you can add a field. You see there's just email. We're gonna add the first name. We're gonna move it up. And the actions, default lead page, thank you page. That's definitely cool when you saying thank you to someone who filled up the form. Yeah, or it can be landing page, external URL if you making it up sales or cross sales, that could be handy. Or you can choose the remaining page and then nothing's gonna happen. Just this human being that saw your web page and fulfilled this form will be on the same page. Of course, any landing page need to contain the like hello thing, the buttons where people can press, and the second thing is the contact information to find you, yeah, or description, some kind of history maybe. I don't need all this right here, and I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna delete all the things here, or just can show you that you can add some widgets like image and video here, and here you go. It's pretty cool. All the editing features of any blog happening with this small three dots button. You added settings, you change in the background color, for example, and here you go. And that's pretty cool, and that's pretty fantastic, because it happens like with the seconds, you know. And that's pretty cool because you can edit your own web page in a minute, and we just spent less than 20 minutes to build a simple web page that can go live straight away from here, and that will bring new customers to your photo studio, for example. And that's a big issue. So if you want to try to build your own web page with all these features that I showed you, If you want to try to do that, go to the description file of this video, find the link, and get a big discount to access. Get a big discount for access to this Lead Pages platform, because we left the link. This is our partners, and they gave us a big discount, so we can share it with new potential customers, for those people who really need to build a website fast, easy, and without an extra efforts. So I hope that's you, and you need to build your own thing. You can make it with a discount. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll try, and I hope all that I showed you, all that I told you, will help you to go live with your web page fast and easy. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye bye.